Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable transcription in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to capture everything that's being said during a meeting, whether it's for record keeping, sharing with absent team members, or simply reviewing important discussion points later. So let's assume that you are already inside an active meeting. Look toward the top of your screen where you'll see various meeting controls. Among these options, you'll notice three dots which represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal additional features available during your meeting. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Record and Transcribe. This option gives you access to Teams' powerful transcription capabilities, allowing you to automatically convert spoken words into written text in real time. It's a game changer for accessibility and documentation purposes. Once you've selected that option, you'll see a new prompt appear. Here, click on Start Transcription to begin the process. This tells Teams to start listening to the meeting audio and converting it into text format. Next, you'll be asked to choose a language for the transcription. This is important because Teams needs to know which language is being spoken in order to accurately capture the conversation. Select the appropriate language from the list provided, then click Confirm to proceed. Making sure you select the correct language ensures that the transcription will be as accurate as possible. After you confirm your language selection, Teams will begin processing the transcription. You might need to wait a moment while the system initializes and starts capturing the audio. This processing time is usually quite brief, but it's normal to see a short delay as the transcription engine gets up and running. Once the transcription is fully activated and processing, look over to the right side of your Teams meeting window. Here you'll see the transcript panel appear, displaying the live transcription of everything being said in the meeting. As people speak, their words will appear in this panel in real time, complete with timestamps and speaker identification when possible. You can scroll through this transcript during the meeting to review what's been said or refer back to specific points of discussion. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled transcription in Microsoft Teams, giving yourself a powerful tool for capturing and reviewing meeting content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.